Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make split payments on Square. So all you need to do is search for Square and then log into your account. Make sure you are logged into your account and then go to invoices and payments. Now choose invoices and choose invoices again. And now while creating a new invoice, you choose single payment. After you import all the details, the customer, the invoice title, the service date, message, if you want your customer to see any message, line items, you can add the items that he purchased from you or the services or anything. You can add discount, subtotal, tax, anything, and attach and custom fields if needed. But the most important part is the payment options. You need to toggle on partial payments. This one, toggle it on. So this lets customers enter a payment amount of their choice, even if it's less than the full balance, which makes them able to pay this invoice in 2 times, not in one single payment. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.